Hi guys, I'm Eng, and after hiking for 2 hours, finally we are here at the Muka Head Lighthouse at the Penang National Park in Telok Bahang. Let me show you how it is like. So this lighthouse opens from 9 o'clock in the morning to 3 o'clock every day. Can you see? Oh my, please, my DSLR, please don't die on me. Let's go. Can you see? This is the lighthouse which was built in 1883. And this is the staircase. Alright, we're gonna go up there. Please don't die on me, my DSLR. Please. Alright, yeah, this is the steep staircase. Alright, we're gonna go fast. Oh man. Are we tired? Oh. Look at this. The lighthouse is open to the public. Yeah, finally we are here. Can you see the view? Yeah, so that's me, Eng, and I'm a Penang boy. I was born and raised here. I love to travel, and I just came back from working holiday in New Zealand last year. I'm very confident, gung-ho, skinny but strong, and I'm determined to do what I set out to do. So please choose me as your CTT. Sorry, I mean CTO, not Char Kway Teow, not Chapati, not Chokodok, but your Chief Travel Officer, because life is too short to just sit at home and look at a world map and go nowhere. And I love meeting people and tell stories that I heard to the audience, as well as, because I'm a Malaysian, I think I should tell and show the beautiful side of my country, the hidden gems and the less known places in my country. So that's me. Cheers and out. Thank you.